Let's look at some of these oil plants. We're going to start out with the polyunsaturated plant oils. The polyunsaturated ones are the ones with many double bonds in them. As such, they are often called drying oils because they will actually dry, harden, and polymerize. First one of these we're going to look at is linseed oil. This is Linum uctaticum. This is one of the oldest domesticated oil seeds. They actually did oil seed extraction before they started to do fiber extraction on this plant. The fiber is used to make linen. It's a very unique material. It has a very high level of unsaturation. It is a drying oil. It is high in linolenic acid. You can see the linseed oil gives it the linolenic acid. The linolenic acid is triply unsaturated. This material leads to rapid rancidity and an unpleasant taste. You have to use the oil fairly quickly after you press it, which probably occurred back in the olden days because they didn't tend to store much. You didn't have a lot of place to put it or anything like that. You used it right away. This would have been a fine oil to be able to do that with. When you look at the plant has these very pretty little blue flowers. This is the same plant that gives us linen. The seed pods look like this. They are a type of capsule. They are dehiscent. They split open and the seeds come out of it. This is the same plant that we get linen out of. The plant is called flax. They call it flaxseed oil. In this particular case, it says one serving contains 9 grams of omega-3. You can use it in salad dressings. It is a very reactive type oil. That's where you buy it at the supermarket. Or you can go down to your friendly neighborhood construction store, buy boiled linseed oil, which protects and seals wood. It improves flow and gloss of oil-based paints. It's used as a material for painting, for wood preservation. It works because it polymerizes very quickly. Another one that we have is tung oil, called tung. Veronica fortii. It comes from China. It has a high level of unsaturation. It is a drying oil. There are many uses for it, but it is not in the food area. This is in the Euphorbiaceae, which often has materials that could be of interest, but it is not what you would consider to be a good food source. We don't use it for food. They tell you it is poisonous. It grows in North Florida. It puts out very pretty little flowers like this in the spring. It has a rather large leaf. The flower develops into fruits that look like this. Eventually the fruits mature, and it's at the mature stage that they are collected. The seeds are pulled out of them, and then the seeds are pressed in order to make tung oil. You can buy tung oil at the hardware store. What we use it for is restores richness and vitality to wood. You apply it to wood, it soaks in, it polymerizes, it gives it a good finish. In the olden days, before we had a lot of really fancy type materials, what they would use to preserve material is tung oil. Tung oil is used in a lot of different types of wood treatments. These are very reactive type oils. Normally they're not recommended at all for human consumption. They do have a function elsewhere.